Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the could not download video error in the when you try to download the WhatsApp videos. As you can see, I open the WhatsApp and I'm trying to download the videos from my WhatsApp, and as you can see this error. I will show you guys the different method to fix this problem, so you just need to apply them one by one. So guys, the first solution to fix this problem, first you can go to the Windows set, type here the WhatsApp, and once it was shown on the top, here you will see the option of app settings right here. And if you don't see, right click on the WhatsApp and click on the app settings you are seeing here. And once you click on that, now here you just need to scroll down and you will see the option of the reset. Click on that, click on the reset option. Now once you click on that, now your app data will be deleted on your WhatsApp. So make sure you are logged in on your mobile, and once your data was reset from your WhatsApp, just open up the WhatsApp again and log into your account, and your problem is fixed. And guys, if your problem is not fixed after this solution, then you can uninstall the WhatsApp and then again reinstall it. And just right click on your WhatsApp and click on the app settings and scroll down and click on the uninstall. And guys, once you uninstall the WhatsApp, just go to the Windows side, type the Microsoft and open up the Microsoft Store and just simply install the WhatsApp on your PC. And I hope you guys understand how you can fix this problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.